Can you explain
About
about both?
Mother
Can
and
you
Sharbindo.
can you explain?
I mean, you are taking video.
Not,
Details means Sharbindo was born in Calcutta. Then his father, he put him into Darjeeling school. When he was about 7 years old, he put him into his all the three brothers, means two brothers, and him into England. And he was very much into like Western culture. His father, Krishnadhan Bose. So he put, I think, into England, and he studied in England throughout. I think where he stayed, he even gave an instruction that his sons should not know anything about Indian culture, Indian way of anything. He should only know everything about Western culture. They should be brought up like that. And so they brought up there. Sharbindo became IAS officer. I mean, he just didn't give one exam. That was a horse riding. So that was compulsory and he didn't give. So that is why I don't know if he got the certificate, but he became IAS officer. Then he came back. There he met Sayaji Gaikwad, and then he just got a job from there itself in Baroda University as a professor. And so he was a professor. Then he became a principal in the same college, and he started writing the Vande Mataram to awaken Indian people to free his mother earth of India from Britishers, from colonial people. And so it was very sharp. He was awakening Indian people with sharp writings. And so there was somewhere bomb blast in Calcutta or somewhere. I don't remember now the place. So then English people, they made a warrant on him, and falsely they took Sharbindo into jail. I don't know, means I think yes. And then Sharbindo was put into jail for about 1 year.
Wow.
And in this imprisonment, Sharbindo, Swami Vivekananda came and gave a Bhagavad Gita to read Sharbindo. Then he studied Upanishad and Vedas there, Upanishads there. And then fortnight, Swami Vivekananda came in jail and gave exactly what he wanted to tell about Indian culture or spirituality. He spoke and his voice will go. Exactly that much he will speak for fortnight. After that, Sharbindo was very much into deep sadhana, and then he started, he realized that Krishna is surrounding him. Every bar of the jail was Vasudeva, Lord Krishna. Then they gave freedom to Sharbindo to walk under a tree, seeing him all the time meditating and reading. They said, okay, you can come out of the jail and walk into the veranda of the jail under a tree. So he saw the tree was also Lord Krishna giving him shade. And then when there was because in the court case he had to defend himself. So he started writing a lot that how he is so innocent, means he has not done the bomb blast or whatever. He was writing. Krishna said, I will take care of it. But Sharbindo all the time thought, no, I have to write. He wrote 2-3 papers full explaining. And then Krishna said, look, come and see. And so voice was coming from within Lord Krishna, or I don't know exactly how. But Lord Krishna said, look and see in this court case. So next day when he went, he saw all the judge, he was Krishna. The opposite advocate, he was Krishna too. His own advocate was Krishna too. And all the people in the jail, they were also Krishna. So he thought, oh, but what I am writing is Krishna has taken, means he is only doing my court case. And then suddenly just before, some time after, the judge changed. Judge came from his college colleague from England. He was in English. He was transferred to for Sharbindo's case. And he knows Sharbindo very well because he was a poet. He was studying French, Latin, German, all kind of languages, and he was a very quiet person, means in the college. He knew him very well that he is the most ideal person, means he thought. So he came as a judge, and then Chittaranjan Das came as his own advocate. The one
Oh.
advocate was gone, and Chittaranjan Das said that for what he said, that even the I don't know exactly, the ages will pass, but his words will echo overseas and in the whole earth what Sri Aurobindo has written. And then that judge who knew Sri Aurobindo, they were studying together, he he's gave clean cheat, what you said, that he is free. Then Sri Aurobindo came out of the jail. So this is all done by Lord Krishna.
Lord Krishna only.
And when he went in the jail, he said, but why I had been working for my Mother Earth, Mother India, why I am put into jail?
Ah.
He asked Krishna. Krishna said, I already told you sometime before that now this work will be done by all other heroes of India. Your work is spirituality, some other work I am giving you. But Sri Aurobindo thought at that time that if I don't work for my Mother Earth, who will free my India? So then Sri Aurobindo said, yeah, I remember Shri Krishna already told him some months before that you stop all this work and come aside, go into within. And then Sri Aurobindo realized, then there were so many visions he got in the jail, but when he came out, there was a Uttarpara speech, but he said whatever he's supposed to only speak about spirituality, only about Krishna he said much, but other revelations that came from Vedas and Upanishads, that he was not to make it public, so he didn't say. Then there was a voice came that go to Chandranagar, because there was another warrant came from English people to catch him, because they were very much afraid of Sri Aurobindo, the English people. So then Sri Aurobindo immediately got a message, go to Chandranagar. Then he said, I'm waiting for your voice, what should I do? From Chandranagar he got another message, go to Pondicherry. So Pondicherry that time was under French. So English people cannot do much. They cannot come and take Sri Aurobindo into jail again. So Sri Aurobindo came to Pondicherry, then his disciples came, and there was a ashram was built after mother came. There was much more development. Means mother established ashram and food and rooms and everything.
I saw his ashram, Aurobindo.
Sure, with ashram. There is a samadhi.
Yeah, samadhi.
That's a very beautiful atmosphere, vibration.
There only he went.
Huh?
There only he went.
There he only upstairs he lives there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Clean explanation.